Africa Content TV.
Royal Majesties, we are present. The 11 of you, we acknowledge your presence. The Royal Highnesses that have been crowned today. His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Oyo State, Governor Oluwaseyi Makinde, FNS, we welcome you all. I want to appreciate God in you because between the last 1 year, history of Ibadan has been rewritten. Ibadan that used to be one crown over is now having plenty of you crowned today. That is to say, whenever His Imperial Majesty is going out, we have plenty of crowned leaders following him. So the history of Ibadan is being written in gold today. Therefore, His Excellency, the Governor of Oyo State, has asked me to appreciate everyone that has made this occasion possible, because it wouldn't have been without the cooperation of everyone. He's saying that I should appreciate everyone present today. Again, he said I should tell everyone that have been crowned today that there are a number of many going around in Ibadan land today, particularly in the area of land grabbing. He said I should tell you, particularly the new urbans that are in suburb, that the land grabbing that is going on around, it is you that can bring an end to it. And by the grace of God, as He's wishing you success in your tenure, He's saying that you should allow peace to reign in your domain. So also is issue of security. There is no crime without people knowing where they stay. He's saying that you crown leaders urbans of today, these people are living in the midst of you, that you should identify them before they perpetrate their evil act. So he's wishing you all well and all crown urbans of today. God bless you as you go on in life. Thank you and God bless you. Ẹ ṣeun.